Hello viewers and welcome to our channel Body Fitness at Home. In this video, we will explore tailored health and fitness programs designed specifically for busy women in this age group, with a particular focus on addressing mental barriers. So, without further ado, let's dive into the video and subscribe to the channel. Navigating life in one's 30s, 40s, 50s, and beyond brings a unique set of challenges for women. These women are often mothers, caregivers, entrepreneurs, and leaders, all while striving to maintain their own identities and pursue their aspirations. Balancing the demands of daily life can lead to heightened stress levels, persistent fatigue, and an overwhelming sense of being stretched thin. In their quest to meet the needs of family, career, and personal growth, many women tend to prioritize their responsibilities above their own well-being. Unfortunately, this self-sacrifice can leave them vulnerable to a range of physical and mental health issues. Health and fitness programs tailored for busy women. In today's fast-paced world, juggling work, family, and personal commitments can leave little time for self-care. However, prioritizing your health and fitness is crucial for leading a fulfilling life. Holistic wellness plans. Effective health and fitness programs for busy women extend beyond mere physical exercise. They encompass comprehensive wellness strategies, including personalized nutrition plans, stress management techniques, guidance on optimizing sleep patterns, and mindfulness practices. These holistic wellness plans recognize the interconnectedness of physical and mental health, enabling women to find equilibrium in their multifaceted lives. Flexible workouts. Time constraints are a ubiquitous challenge for busy women, making it imperative for fitness programs to provide flexible workout options. These options might encompass quick but high-impact, high-intensity interval training, high-IT sessions, convenient online workouts that can be completed at home, or even workplace exercises designed to alleviate stress and enhance productivity. Nutritional guidance. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of overall well-being. Nutrition plans within these programs must be thoughtfully tailored to the specific needs and goals of women in this age group. This customization takes into account hormonal fluctuations and metabolic changes that naturally occur with age. Mental fitness. The core of these programs lies in the cultivation of a resilient mindset. Mental fitness involves not just physical exercises, but also the integration of mental practices. Techniques like meditation, mindfulness, and cognitive behavioral therapy serve as powerful tools, assisting women in breaking down mental barriers, reducing stress, and boosting their self-confidence. Overcoming mental blocks. Busy women professionals and entrepreneurs often encounter formidable mental hurdles that can impede their progress. These mental obstacles manifest as self-doubt, a paralyzing fear of failure, imposter syndrome, and burnout. Effective health and fitness programs incorporate strategies to dismantle these barriers to success. Goal setting. A crucial element in conquering these mental blocks is setting clear, achievable goals. These objectives provide a sense of direction and purpose, offering women a tangible roadmap toward their physical and mental well-being. Programs encourage women to establish both short-term and long-term goals, effectively empowering them to regain control over their lives. Positive self-talk. An essential aspect of transforming one's mindset is learning to silence the internal critic and replace negative self-talk with affirmations of self-worth. This shift in thinking has transformative potential, enabling women to cultivate self-belief and persevere through challenges with newfound resilience. Mindfulness and stress reduction. Inclusion of mindfulness practices into daily routines equips women with essential tools for managing stress and anxiety. Mindfulness techniques enhance emotional resilience, improve decision-making skills, and provide critical coping mechanisms. Supportive community. The journey to personal transformation and mental fortitude need not be solitary. The power of a supportive community of like-minded women cannot be overstated. Many health and fitness programs offer online communities or local groups that foster connection, encouragement, accountability, and a deep sense of belonging. Through shared experiences and collective support, women can find strength and motivation in unity. So, this was our today's video. I hope you all like it. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching.